How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today is 11th September 2020 on Friday. How's the weather outside? Hot because rainy season is going on. So student, sometimes in rainy season weather cloudy and sometimes weather hot. But today's weather is hot. Okay. So student, today I am going to teach you exercise for U sound word. Exercise for U sound word. The sound of U, a. The sound of U, a. So student, our first exercise is, you read with me, okay? S double E C. S double E C. Trace, trace. Trace, trace. Write, right. Write, right. See, trace and write. So student, you look at this picture carefully. After we trace this word and then after we write 3 times ourselves. Okay. So are you ready, dear? Yes, very good. So first, which picture is this? Cub. Which picture is this? Cub. And you know friends, lion's baby, cub. Lion's baby, cub. So here, which picture is this? Cub. Cub. So first student, we trace this word. Okay. You trace with me. Cub. Okay. Cub. And we write 3 times. Okay. This word cub. Student, you maintain this 4 line. Okay. Don't go for outline. Cub. You write with me and speak with me. Okay. Cub. Next, which picture is this? Bird. Which picture is this? Bird. Bird. Which word right here? Bird. We trace this word. Bird. Which word right here? Bird. And here we write 3 times this word. Okay. Bird. Bird. Third, which picture is this? Tell me. Bug. So here we trace this word. Bug. And you know friends, we seen this insect in rainy season. Okay. Bug. So here we write word bug. You write with me and speak with me. Okay. Bug. And 4th picture, which picture is this? Gum. 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 So here we trace this word gum. Okay, and here we write 3 times this word gum. Gum. Again one more time we write gum. And here which picture is this? Bun. Bun. Okay, so here we trace this word bun. We eat this bun with पाव भाजी. ओके, पाव भाजी के साथ बन. Maintain this 4 line. Okay, bun. And here which picture is this? Cup. Cup. So here we trace this word cup. You trace with me cup. And here we write 3 times this word cup. Again one more time we write cup. And here which picture is this? Bus. So here we trace this word bus. So here we write 3 times this word bus. Okay, bus. Student, you do not write dirty. Okay, and last which picture is this? Heart. So here we trace this word heart. Heart means kacha house. Okay, so we write 3 times heart. Student, we seen this heart in village. Okay, heart. Do you seen heart? Tell me. Yes, very good. Heart means kacha house. Okay, so student, you speak with me these all words. Okay, cub. Bird. Bug. Gum. Bun. Cup. Bus. And last heart. So student, our next exercise. Okay, you read with me. LOOK, look. AT, at. THE, the. PICTURE, picture. AND, and. WRITE, right. THE, the. RHYMING, rhyming. WORD, word. Rhyming word means what, student? Rhyming word means same sound word. Okay? Rhyming words means same sound word. So here I write cut. Okay? Cut. So here we write rhyming word. But here which picture is this? Tell me. Hut. Hut. So here we write word, rhyming word, hut. You write with me, student, and speak with me. Hut. Okay, cut and hut. And here, which word right here? Fun. So here we write rhyming word. Okay, but first here which picture is this? Sun. Sun. So here we write rhyming word sun. Sun and fun. Okay, and here mud, and here we write rhyming word. But first here which picture is this? Bird. So here we write word bird. Which word right here, student? Bird. Okay, you understand what is rhyming word? Rhyming word means same sound word. Okay, mud, bird. And here which word right here? Pup. But here we write rhyming word. So which picture is this? Cup. So student, we write here cup. You read with me this rhyming word. Cup and pup. And here which word right here? Sun. But here which picture is this? Bun. So here we write rhyming word bun. Which word right here? Bun. Sun, and here we write bun. Last, which word right here? Cub. But here which picture is this? Tub. So here we write word tub. So you speak with me. Tub and cub. So student, you repeat this exercise with me, okay, and speak with me. Cut. Hut. Sun. Fun. Mud. Bird. Cup. Pup. Sun. Bun. And last, tub. Cub. So student, our third exercise is, you read with me, CHOOSE, choose, AND WRITE, write, THE, the, CORRECT, correct, RHYMING, rhyming, WORDS, words. Choose and write the correct rhyming words. So student, look at this picture. What is this? A big cup. A big cup. In cup, I wrote some words. Okay. We find these related rhyming word and after we write here. Okay. So student, which word write here? Cub, cub, cub. So student, here we write two rhyming word. How many rhyming word? Two rhyming word. And I also told you what is rhyming word. Rhyming word means same sound word. Okay. So here cub, cub. So we find rhyming word. Yes, find it. This, no. This, no. This, yes. Rub. Student, you speak this word carefully and listen carefully. Okay. Cub. Look at this. Cub. And here rub. So here we write rub. Next rhyming word. Find it. This, no. This is sun. This, yes. Tub. So here we write word tub. So student, you speak with me. Cub, rub, and tub. Next. Bug. So find it, this related sound word, rhyming word. Find it. This, no. This, no. Yes, here. Mug. Look at this. Bug. And here mug. So here we write rhyming word mug. Find it next. Find it. This, no. This, no. This is tub. And this, yes, here jug. So here we write word jug. You speak with me. Bug, mug, and last jug. Our third word hut. So you listen this word and speak this word carefully. Hut. To find it, this related rhyming word. Where is this? No. This, yes. Cut. So here we write cut. Next rhyming word. Where is this? No. This, no. So where is? Find it. Come on fast. Yes, here. Not. So here we write word not. Last, bun. So you look at this word bun. So find it, this related rhyming word. Where is? Yes, here. Sun. So here we write word sun. And next, where is? Yes, here. Gun. So here we write word gun. So student, you understand what is rhyming word? Rhyming word means same sound word. So you repeat with me. Cub, rub, tub. Next, bug, mug, jug. Hut, cut, nut. And last, bun, sun, gun. So student, you understand this all exercise? Yes, very good. So you write in your book number 5, page number 6, page number 7 and page number 8. Thank you.